Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use EasyCast on Xbox. First, understand that EasyCast allows you to mirror your phone or computer screen directly onto your Xbox console, transforming your television into a larger display for various content. This feature significantly enhances your entertainment experience, letting you share photos, videos, and even web pages with ease. Remember, both your casting device and Xbox must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work seamlessly. Next, let's prepare your Xbox. From the home screen, go to your console settings. Scroll down and select Devices and Connections. Within this menu, you will find an option for Cast or Wireless Display. Select this and then enable the Allow Casting feature. This step is crucial as it makes your Xbox discoverable to other devices on your local network, allowing it to receive content for mirroring. It's a quick setup, taking less than 1 minute. Now, let's cast from your device. On your smartphone or personal computer, locate the Cast or Screen Mirroring function, often found in the Quick Settings or Display options. Once activated, your device will scan for available receivers. Select your Xbox from the list that appears. A prompt will then appear on your Xbox screen. Simply accept it to initiate the mirroring process. You'll see your device's screen instantly appear on your television, usually within 5 seconds. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your Xbox and the casting device often resolves most problems. Always check your Wi-Fi signal strength. A strong, stable connection is vital for smooth mirroring. Also, ensure your Xbox system software is completely updated to the latest version. For the best experience, try to keep your casting device within 10 feet of your Xbox, minimizing potential interference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.